Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Little Noah's Baked Goodies for sending us some of their best sellers, guys. Grabe, if you're just with me, these are so eye-appetizing and at the same time, they smell really good. Now, I wanna introduce them to you one by one and then let's taste them simultaneously. Now, I wanna start with this frozen Cheesecake Banofee. This is how lovely as it gets. On top of it, I think it's like a frosting, parang white frosting, and then in the middle, it looks like a chocolate. Going to the bottom, of course, your banana, and then dun sa baba natin, parang meron siyang crushed bread or cookies or graham, something like that. But anyway, let's taste it. Ooh, wow. So meron pa pala siyang parang nuts in between. So I think these are walnuts. Wow. I can't move on to the next because this is really good. This is really good. I don't know how to explain it further, but grabe. First dessert pa lang natin. It made a level or a notch or a standard for the next dessert we're gonna be having. Okay, last spoon before we jump into the next. You know what? I like it because I like bananas. Next is the cheesecake cups. Have different flavors. I think this is a strawberry. We have ube, raspberry. We have Oreo, and then this one I think is a cheesecake brownies. If you were to ask me which one will I pick, of course, the Mr. Oreo guy. Oh yeah! Surprisingly, guys, up to the bottom, it has an Oreo cookie. And in between, it has like Oreo, crushed Oreo, no? Anyway, let's taste it. Grabe. Of course, cheesecake, medyo sour and salty yan. I think this cupcake right here has all the taste. Because of the cheesecake, it's a little bit sour, it's a little bit salty. Now, because of the Oreo, it's a little bit bitter and sweet. So what else can you ask for? All the flavors are in this cupcake right here. I'm gonna continue with that one later on. I wanna jump in next to our dessert. I wanna try this one, this guy right here. So this is the triple choco Brigadeiro. From the name itself, guys, this is gonna be overloaded with chocolates. So let's get a scoop. Oh, okay. So it's a little bit fudgy, and then dun sa pinaka bottom natin has parang sponge cake. So let's taste it, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So triple choco, guys. It has a chocolate cake at the bottom. And the next parang meron tayong a chocolate gooey or a fudge, parang ganun yun. And then on top you have your grated chocolate plus, I think this is a cocoa, parang ganun. Oh man, triple treat for the chocolate lovers. Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow. In terms of sweetness, I think this is actually strong. We still have like 3 more desserts to taste. Okay, I wanna jump in next to this guy right here. So this one is Cheesecake Bunny Pie. I think this is around 7 to 8 inches, I think. Wow. Similar to our Cheesecake Banofee, mayroon din siyang nuts in between. And then yung parang pinaka-meat nung pie natin is actually cheesecake. This is amazing. Yeah. Parang, I think they have, mastered yung, creating a Banoffee. Because I really like it, no? Wow. Banana, it's so fruity. It's so refreshing. Of course, the banana is a little bit sour. So it adds that parang contrast, yung lalaban doon sa tamis ng mga ingredients natin like the chocolate and then the parang pinaka-icing or frosting natin dito sa top. Oh, I can't stop. Guys, if you're to ask me, this is almost similar. But if you're to ask me, I think I'm gonna go for this one. Yung cheesecake pie natin. 2 more left. I wanna try this one. So ito naman yung kanilang ube cheesecake. Oh man, this is so lovely. Nakakapanghinayang for me to parang destroy the beauty. This is almost similar to our burnt Basque right here, which is later on I'm gonna try it. But let's go first with the ube. Okay, I'm gonna try this one, guys. Oh, it's so soft. The entire cheesecake, guys, is like 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Parang ganun siya kakapal. In between dun sa pinaka-meat ng cheesecake natin, it has ube.
This is the end of point 1 of this record. Please now turn it over.
Around 2 or 3 people can finish this. This is very shareable, guys. Okay, lastly, I want to dive in dito sa isa sa mga bestseller nila, guys, is yung Burnt Basque Cheesecake. Wow! You have your burned caramelized sugar at the top. Let me taste this one. Really amazing. Guys, if you want to show support to Little Noah, we're going to be flashing their fan page. Please go to their fan page, give them some love. If you want to order from them, please do so. If you're going to experience what I experienced, I like this one. So yung first dessert pa lang natin, it gave a really high standard with the remaining desserts, guys. So thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, please stay safe and stay home. Peace out. Bye.